This is the heritage place in Jeddah, near Balad. Okay. And I'll show you something here. That one is the first church na itinatag noong araw. See that? Was built by Spaniards. You know, that's the first Catholic church here in Jeddah. See? That. Yan ang heritage. Mga lumang bahay. Pero ni-restore lang nila to a new version. Yan. Okay. See that? May tori pa yan dun. Hindi yung tibag-tibag mga dahil everything na tinitibag yan, marami na mamatay. So, pinastop nilang sirain yan. So, yan yung tori niya. Dati may cross yan, pero inalis na nila just to respect their place, you know. Ito yung first church dito dati na itinatag nung araw kasi yung nilang museum, right? See that? This is the cultural square, you know, auditorium entrance. This is the church. See that? What a beautiful place. It's just a small building, but looks beautiful. You know, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Yung sa halaman na yan. Di ba ginagawang garland yan pag may graduation, ano kaya? Yun, graduation sa school. Ginawang garland yan. Okay. Hindi pa rin ako makamove on dito. Yeah. I like this place. Very relaxing. Yung sa parting dyan, may lake dyan eh. Yeah. I don't know if it's a lake or what. Kasi, maybe it's a lake because wala naman siyang wave. Wala naman siyang, the current is steady. You know, there's no wave, there's no, you know, the water is calm and wala siyang wave, you know. The current of the water is steady. I'll show you. Wait a second. May tubig dito eh. See? The lake. See that? Oh, what a beautiful place. Pero malalim yan. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Akit ako dito. Akit ako ng konti. Ayan o. Ay, ano pala siya? Mataas pala siya dito. Look at this place. Love it. See that? May yung sinaunang bahay. May mga tore na gano'n. Yan. Yan yung lake dyan. Sa baba. Ito. Hindi naman bawal mag-video dito or take a picture. See that? Amazing. Pauwi na tayo. Pauwi na. Wala pala akong picture dito. Wait ah. Pakuha na ako ng picture dito. Wait lang. Yan. Yan. So ganyan lang. Oops. Slide lang. Ayan. Hello. How are you? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jada, and this is the heritage place here near the Balad. Balad is there. Right here, and this place here is the lake, you know. And then, alright, bye bye. I love you all. Yan. Nakakuha na rin ako ng video, little clip of video here. Pauwi na tayo. Ayan. Wow. I love to skate, you know. Hindi ko lang dala yung skate. Kaya ano ko, rollerblade ko. Ayan. Okay, bye bye.